Are your hard-earned Google reviews mysteriously vanishing, leaving you wondering if you're shouting into the void? Don't panic. Let's dive into why your Google business reviews might not be showing up and, more importantly, how to fix it in under 90 seconds. First, give it time. Reviews can take up to 2 weeks to appear, especially if the reviewer is new to Google. Google's algorithms are constantly filtering for spam and fake reviews. Make sure the reviews comply with Google's guidelines. Avoid incentivizing reviews or having employees review your business, as this violates Google's policies. Confirm your business information is accurate and consistent across the web. Discrepancies can sometimes trigger filters. Verify your business name, address, and phone number on your Google business profile. Encourage reviewers to use different devices and IP addresses when leaving a review. Multiple reviews from the same location can be flagged as suspicious. If you've checked all the boxes and reviews are still missing, contact Google Business Profile Support directly. They can investigate and provide specific reasons for the missing reviews. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot most common review visibility issues, ensuring your positive feedback shines through and helps attract more customers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your online presence.